Parang go cops, dali. Go cops, then come southeast. Come to ping, zone cops.
Andito yung disregard dito, ping.
Copy. Come to me.
Ito,
yo, everyone, come cops.
Backlight.
Wala kami shield pag zone, Pinchy.
Okay lang.
Zone back. Dito na.
Yo, is my Zerg with me? Hello? Come na W.
Disregard.
Come to trust. Come to the ground. Come to trust. Keep coming, come to trust. Look west now. Look. Keep coming to trust. Come west on me. Let's flank. Hello, nasan kayo? Come to trust. Yo, look north. Yo, ready, north, shallow, the round 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the crown, defense. Okay, nice kill. Come north.
If you can see the color, mount up.
Hard north. Keep coming, hard north now. They wipe QW, catch.
37 tayo, kago.
Okay. Yo, Yugto, mount up. Kill team, mount up. Yes. I'm going to there now.
Get mount up, wait lang.
Okay. Yeah. Tara. Come Terry fast.
Si kaninong blob yun yung andun?
I don't know. Just come Terry, everyone. Come Terry. Ignore nyo na iba. Come Terry. We need to...
Checking blob.
Okay. Come Terry fast.
Ang dami na iwan party 1, come here na. Go to the caller.
Stop catching up Terry, guys. We need Terry.
Gago, baited yung kalaban.
Oo, gago. Diba? Binay-time ko lang putang ina ng mga to
Hindi siya pagkalapit nila, biglang nag-zone in yung parang Avengers yung backup biglang, alam mo yun sa endgame.
May tapa sa loob. Kill team, you can start.
Wala.
By-edit nun po.
Yes. Yugto kill team will start daw. You come southeast. Check natin tong blob.
International DA 26.
Come south.
26 pa daw yung Creed.
Pero may home 6 din sila.
Kill team, mag-start na kayo, kill team.
May red isa. May dalawang red sa loob ng
POW still here, okay? Level 27, I think they triggered 30
They're gearing on my thing.
Southwest blob taking now.
But they went to Vale right now. They all zoned to Vale. Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone
dismount me.
Everyone dismount me.
Lucas blob.
Okay.
My god, 37.
Okay, mount up.
Uy, hindi mo kapasok to isa.
Lucas ba yan? Nasa west?
Yes. On my ping, this is Lucas.
Copy. Kill team, Are you starting na?
Kill team, hello?
May dalawang red daw sa loob ng Terra kanina.
Meron. Yung power 2-2.
Ando pa ba?
Nag-regard na daw, Pincha.
Corny, ikaw lang bigay ng
Wala naman
Clear natin yung
dismount me.
Diba meron?
Try to catch. Everyone catch. Everyone catch.
Yo, alis kayo sa blazing.
Huwag nyo kayo blazing. Matagal na pag kumatapos sa loob.
Kaya nga dapat nasa labas pa.
Okay. Let the kill team take it.
Everyone exit northwest. I killed POW kill team on cops. I think POW is in Vale right now.
Mga Saipon na nalot mo.
Mount up. Yo, kill team start now. Come to me.
Saan ka, Pinchy?
Come southwest ako.
Gago.
Rookies ba yan? Nasa northeast?
Rookies.
Copy. Kill team start now.
Pinchy here dito si Pinchy.
Pa-live ping.
Need nyo healer dyan.
We need one scout in southwest. Left tank with Mike, come southwest.
Ako na lang.
Corny ko na. Hold tayo dito sa...
Ay, ikaw din sa northwest par ako sa ako na lang sa southwest. Base position na lang tayo, mas malapit ako.
Okay. I have one slot going to slope, okay?
Yung dalawa doon sa Terry. Get out.
Hindi, main leader ako, main leader
Team
ako.
still starting.
Yung isa, sino yun? Siya lang, else niyan, siya lang.
Hold lang sa...
Set up the right.
Nasa akin yung blazing. Nasa akin.
Ang dami ng rookies, gago, no? Pagpasok nila, pre.
Some of them are already ligiring. Zoning in from northwest.
Pagkakuha daw ng Terry, hanap na daw tayo ng fight.
Ito yung second na.
Parang.
We need another scout in southwest.
One on north.
Okay, pinapper 6 nakuha.
JJ, go scout southwest, JJ.
Alright.
Yo, pa-spread out, huwag kayo lumapit sa Terry.
No blob Rinal.
Huwag kayo lumapit dyan, kukunat yung mobs.
Dwarf at Provoxer, malapit sa Terry. Ibang guild
Saan?
yan, mga Reds.
May pumapasok
Around
sa
here.
Provoxer sa area. From north.
Around
Yo,
there.
come northwest. Ano yun, bakit team yan?
Pegi nga akong isang holy healer na may revive.
Go northwest.
Pegi isang holy healer na may revive.
Ba't nagbablob?
May Provoxer yan dito, ha? May Provoxer sa loob ng Terry.
Okay.
May Dwarf din, may Dwarf.
Pro-boxers and dwarf going towards northeast.
Huwag niyong saluhin yung blazing, guys.
Last time I checked, Dwarf has no
Nasaan na?
DA.
Wala naman ah.
Huwag niyong saluhin.
Nasa north.
Tara nga, hard north nga.
Dito sa akin, dito
Pro-boxers
sa
and
akin.
dwarf going
Come
there.
northwest, exit northwest.
Nakanina yung blazing, pakilayo.
Nakaiha ako. Ako yun.
Nasaan na? Gusto ba kayo? Wala na?
Uy, blob on north.
Tayo kayo sa,
Putang
tayo kayo
ina.
sa Mage Tower.
Blob northwest.
Checking
Blob
northwest,
northwest.
blob.
Pa-check.
It's rookies and Caesar.
Copy.
Mostly
Tara,
rookies.
hold northwest
This is
gate nga.
rookies,
Hold northwest gate, everyone. Kamusta, kill team? Ilang percent na?
Low na. 10%.
Copy.
Less than 10.
Uy.
Dead na.
Okay.
We got level 38.
10% na lang. It's only 10% left in cops. Then we get
Paano imilaw?
Okay na, copying.
capping already.
Paki-di po lahat ng
Hold northwest.
tawag dyan.
Ano next?
Siphon.
Okay.
Hanap na tayo ng fight.
Anong network? Gale 27GE,
Ano pre?
POW.
My scout said there's POW in Vale level 27.
Yeah.
Oo,
7GE.
R-back na kayo.
Okay. Come northwest. Zone northwest.
Iwan kayo rito, kill team, tapos R-back kayo. Palit na.
Tara, Corny. D-tanks, come northwest.
Alright.
Yo, I need you guys to always follow the crown. Don't get
Leader.
lost, okay?
Party 2 leader, join na now. Join kill team.
Don't
Kill team, join party 2.
After down ng Terry Castle.
Ayoko na yan.
Kasi wala tayong hammers, no? Gago.
We go back portal. Try mag-go si break.
Ay, Terry na.
Let's go.
Email ata.
May Hepa, pick up yung party to. Sila biya ako,
Pa-life
Jane.
ping ako. Pa-life ping. Yan. Para walang naliligo.
Wait, ito. Hindi na lang sila doon.
Keep zoning northwest.
My god, those POW players were like T7. I scouted earlier.
Yawa. Saan kayo?
Windgrass.
Arba kayo, ano, tawag dito? Kill team.
Iarpak ko talaga
Are we
to.
going
Dalawang
portal?
account yung bit-bit ko.
Dalawa ba? Gago.
Isang healer, isang shadow caller.
Sabi ko, mag-healer ako sa inyo.
Gago yung Seven Glory kanina, caller pa kanina. Sabi sa akin, wala kang 2G sa akin.
Gago.
Where bro?
Si 1K.
Si Jago.
Okay, comes, di ko marinig siya.
Comes.
Right.
Sorry, where again? Okay. Gali daw, gali.
Okay.
Yawa, it's one.
Level 33 daw lalabanan natin, par. Yo, I need everyone to stay on the ground. Most likely, we will flank, okay?
Long tail page.
Kailang, just come to portal.
Louis reset OC yan.
Ilan minutes ba? Wag na.
19 pa.
What do you need, my good sir? I'm going Nick.
Yeah, go in. Set up.
Yo, bang first.
Yeah, bago loots, guys.
Burns, kung saan i-drop yung loot, bigyan mo ako ng Burns para makita ko sa loot log.
Sige.
Hold northeast, hold
Martlock
northeast.
Island.
Hold north. Hold north.
Labos pala ng kumapis.
Loot split 1 Martlock Island.
Pingin mo ako ng Burns, Burns.
Gago, may kumadmamot.
Dyan lang kayo. Pare pa comms nga. Puta, hindi ko marinig.
Guys, huwag mo na mag-send comment.
Hold lang kayo sa portal. Tara, zone.
Ayan na pre. Ayan.
Zone, everyone zone. Come north.
Yung mga late, mag-in din na kayo.
North, no? North.
Map check, Windgrass Gully, map check. One scout, papunta nga sa Frostbite Mountain. Gusto nyo ba tong Terry? Binibigay sa atin or Cesar?
Ikap na.
Kap na. Tara.
Kap na.
Main Zerg na lang if ever.
Tara. You go inside, Terry. Yeah, I will take. Cesar, do you want this? Or what? Okay. Take down. Take boss now. Yo, I need you guys to dodge blazing, okay?
Tapos yung may baby dito.
I need scouts, okay? Para hindi tayo mabag.
Tapos one healer to revive.
Keep dropping your ages, Saan? Copy. Okay. Yeah, sure.
Very porous.
Every
Lang siya,
Asan pa rin?
Every 2 months.
Isa pa lang.
Take namin yung Terry.
Pero
Hindi
Boy, dodge!
Huwag dalhin sa gitna!
Yo,
Blob Southwest are coming towards you.
Kamis. Anong blob yan?
Ito po, I read
Anong blob?
Provide,
There's blob here in Valley. Very forest.
DA16.
Hindi makatulo yung ano mo boy, alliance mo boy, may laban sila ngayon. Hindi
Oo,
makatulo.
Come northeast.
Our alliance here now in southwest.
Sige. Come northeast.
Very Forest, Chief of the Week.
Boots and mount. Go northeast gate.
Win Glory
Go northeast. Hello. Hold northeast.
Dala northeast, tulungan. Yung kill team mo lang, ipa-irigay yung kill team ulit.
Sige.
One zone away naman eh.
Zone.
Yung kill team. Saan mo yung kill team natin? Nasa party 2 na ba?
Party.
Dito na
They're going towards northwest.
Copy. Tara.
May kalaban.
Should I keep scouting or I'll just move with you?
Yeah, just scout. Yeah, dismount on me, dismount on top, dismount on top, dismount on top. Okay, come on, walk northeast, walk northeast, walk northeast, walk northeast, walk northeast, walk northeast. You ready? Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the golem now. Delete on the golem. Nice. DPS, nice, DPS, nice, DPS. Hey, back NW, back NW, back NW, back NW, back NW, back NW. Yo, I'm fighting with you. Okay, defend. Come, Southwest with me, come Southwest with me. Nice. Walk NE now, walk NE.
Southwest.
Walk east.
10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Hard east.
Don't lose your crown, guys. Hello?
East, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left over na to. Go chase.
Medic Forest already zone here in southwest. They're in Galley.
Saan yung southwest? Anong map?
Windgrass Galley. Here.
Kapag namatay, mahulog yung gamit.
Anong guild? Sorry?
Pag namatay, mahulog yung gamit.
Galley Forest.
Mary Forest in Gully. From southwest.
Nasa black.
They're going towards portal now.
They going portal.
Ano siya?
Come southwest,
Ba natin ngayon?
There's only Pro-Vaxxer scouts here, Pro scouts here in Galley right now for Terry.
Hold southwest.
Yung caller nyo nasa southwest gate na.
Hold southwest.
Another block on northeast.
Stay there, scout ako. Diyan na kayo
Hold.
Okay, zone, Ebron zone. Ebron zone.
They are holding here now in southwest.
They are holding in...
Going towards Terry.
They going towards Terry. Everyone hold on me.
Checking again.
There's 2 blobs. Meron Frostbite Mountain.
Saan yung kill team? Pati siya ang gear. Gusto niyo 30 to.
18 di sa rin now. FR.
FR 18 Disarray.
Very Forest 32 DA. Holding here on my ping.
Ilan day niyan?
32.
32 DA Mary Forest.
Mary Forest now moving towards there. On my ping. Oh, nice one!
They moving now. They dismounted now. Come.
They dismounted.
Come.
On my ping, this is the back line.
Come. Yeah, okay. Come. Just come.
Care. They're looking towards us.
Yeah. I'm gonna flank them, okay? Come Southwest. Facing na ba Rukis dyan?
Yeah, they're facing rookies.
Sige.
On my ping, this is backline.
Copy.
Okay, they're already flanked. They're sandwich already, we can engage.
Sige.
Alliance line.
Dismount on top of me. Kamesi.
This is backline.
Kami, Kamesi. SE 5, 4, on the J, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, oh J. Nice fucking kill. Yo, come south. Walk south. Defend. Keep walking southwest. Walk southwest. Yo, 16-10. Walk southwest hard. Yo, skis in 5. Okay, come west down the hill. Look west down the hill. Yo, look east now. Ready east. Not yet. Ready east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the golem now. It's fucking huge. Delete. Nice.
Okay. Southeast.
West. Hardwest. Defend.
Engaging.
Defend. Hardwest on the hill. Come. West. Nice. Yo, come south. Ay, no, kamis up the hill. Kamis. Wait. Kamis, Hardys. Go up. Come south fast. South now. Hard south. Eto dito, go on the wall west. Kamis. Dito on the wall. Fast. Guard.
Engage.
Yo, on the golem, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the golem now. Nice kill. Yo, go back. Go any. Heal now. So stay with me. Stay present me, okay. Stay brace. Not yet. Okay, come west now. SW. SW. Okay lang. SW. Hardwest on me. Hardwest on tapping. Fast. Backline to. Fast. Comes out. Come west, hardwest lang. Defend ready. Hardwest lang. Okay, comes out now. Saan sila? Okay. Comes out. South. Saan sila gago?
Nasa east, nasa northeast.
Okay, kamis.
Doon sa baba.
Copy.
Wala, chasing na.
Wala. Wala na ba?
Mounting. Sayang, wala ko kill.
Nagre-regroup daw sila para. Matap. Meron ba? Yo, come to me. Dismount on top of me. Come NE. Get ready. NE 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the golem. Delete. Nice fucking kills, boys. Come northeast. KCW ito. Perma kill this. Perma on me. Perma on the crown. Kill him.
Nice, Minnie Mouse.
QW only. Nice one, boys. Come north. Ay, ito pa. May ano to. Hellfire, kill the Hellfire on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hellfire now. Nice one, boys.
Okay, let's go.
Mount up. Sino yung nasa southwest? Come southwest. Walk southwest. Caesar. Mount up.
Red flower on me.
Come Terry. Kill team ba? Nakaswap na?
May nag-shop na kayo?
Kill team, hello. Ma-start na ako ng Terry.
Ay, mag-swap kami?
Ay hindi, wag na. Tara. Kala ko nag-stop.
Hindi kami sabi.
Or party 1 na lang ang umakyat. Tapos party 2 sa baba.
I'm going back to the Terry, okay?
Party 1 na
Ito,
lang.
hold lang kayo ng sap.
Come Terry.
Party 1.
Party 1, start nyo na yung Terry. Emil, palid ako nung boss. Party 1, go na sa Terry.
Uy, may kill team dito! May kill team dito!
Terry, Ebron, come. Ebron, come. Dismount, chase.
Yung boss.
The SH, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the SH now.
Yung boss.
Start the boss. It is a kill team here on, I just killed them. Start.
Konti na lang guys, drop T.
Nice one. 310.
Sarap kampi ng rookies, tangina. Cap.
Gago ko nakita mo kanina yung ano, pumupunta yung Merry Forest sa kanila tapos nag-air compress na papunta sa Merry Forest.
At yung natin sa iPhone, hep-hop, drop.
Kaya na first fight si Merry Forest.
Ako bala ba?
Yung mga cipher, tsaka loads pa-drop pa.
Ako bala ba?
We still fight where?
Wala naman palang laban to.
Comes out.
Scary.
Grabe.
Ay, OC 7 minutes.
Okay, huwag na ipa-out, no?
Gagi, 300k.
Are we going back to portal? Okay. I will just let my outlaw pass.
Kagi.
Okay, huwag na kayo mag-hit ng reds ha. Pa-portal na tayo.
Tayo dyan, Pinche.
Anywhere you want, bro. It's fine.
Makabam tayo dyan, Pinche.
Andito tayo. Wait lang.
Yung mga nakik kasi sa Aguila nandito ngayon.
Oo, tsaka zone.
Tara nga,